There is something you need to know. Now, the universe is conscious, and it is watching you. Not like a judge, not like a distant God, but like yourself, because the observer and the observed are one.
Every thought that crosses your mind creates waves, disturbances in the quantum field of reality. You think you are just thinking, but you are creating worlds. Science has discovered something unsettling. The act of observing changes what is being observed. Particles behave differently when someone is watching. What does this mean? It means reality is not solid. It is malleable, sensitive, responsive to your consciousness.
Now, pay attention to what I'm about to reveal. When you observe a problem with fear, the problem grows. When you observe a situation with anger, it becomes more chaotic. But when you observe with love, with faith, with certainty, reality reorganizes. That's why Jesus said, "Everything is possible for the one who believes." It wasn't a metaphor, it was quantum physics. Do you want to know the secret of miracles? They happen when you change the observer, not the situation, the observer, because the observer determines the observed. Let this sink in. You don't see the world as it is. You see the world as you are. Every person you meet, every situation that arises, every coincidence is a mirror, a reflection of what vibrates within you. The ancients knew this. The Egyptians carved into stone, as within, so without. The Hermetics taught, as above, so below. The mystics whispered, "Thou art that." They all said the same thing. The universe is you. But here's the part that changes everything. If the universe is watching you, and you are watching the universe, and you are the same thing, then who is creating reality? You. It was always you. That's why your worries manifest. That's why your fears materialize. That's why your desires, when released, appear. You are the writer, the director, the lead actor, and the audience of this cosmic play called life. Now, what do you do with this power? First, become conscious of the observer. When a negative thought arises, observe it. Don't follow it. Don't feed it. Just watch. When a strong emotion surfaces, witness it. Don't react. Don't resist. Just see. This is the secret of the masters. They didn't fight reality. They changed the observer. Second, consciously choose what you observe. You can look at lack or abundance. You can see problems or possibilities. You can focus on fear or love. What you choose to observe expands. It is a law, immutable, infallible. Third, observe with feeling. It's not enough to think. You must feel. Feel as if it's already yours. Feel as if you already are. Feel from the end. Because the universe doesn't respond to words. It responds to vibrations, and vibrations are feelings. There is a secret practice that the initiates used. Before sleep, they would review the day, but not as it happened, as they wished it had happened. They rewrote reality. And do you know what happened? The past changed. Not in memory. In reality, people changed behavior, situations resolved, opportunities appeared. From nowhere. Now I want you to understand something deep. You are not separate from the universe. You are not asking an external power. You are remembering. Remembering who you are. Remembering your power. Remembering it was always you. The supreme observer. When you pray, who are you praying to? When you ask, Who are you asking? The answer will set you free. Yourself, your higher self, your expanded consciousness, the universe, which is you. That's why the answer comes from within. That's why intuition never fails. That's why, when you know, you know. It's not external information, it's remembrance. But be careful. With great power comes great responsibility. If you are the observer that creates, you can no longer blame anyone. You can no longer be a victim. You can no longer hide. Every experience is your creation. Every person, your mirror. Every moment, your choice.
Does that scare you? It should set you free, because it means you can change everything right now, in this moment, by changing just one thing: how you observe. The universe is waiting for you to take your throne, the throne of the conscious observer, the awakened creator, the I am. Close your eyes now, take a deep breath, and feel. Feel the power that has always been yours. Feel the presence that you've always been. Feel the universe watching you. Through your own eyes, you are being watched by the universe, which is you, observing itself, creating itself, loving itself through infinite forms, infinite experiences, infinite possibilities. Now you know, now you remember. Use this power wisely.